Hi, it's James at Proinkshop. I have a 7-Eleven printhead here, HP 7-Eleven printhead, which is for HP designed at T520 or 120. This print has been like 10 years old also. So most of the printhead have a problem on this chipboard, which is a air pressure control board, and also the vinyl pops off while the printer is pumping. So you keep on getting like ink leaking out, like the ink system fail. So today I'd like to introduce one product that can be sealed at the top part here. I gotta explain how, because I already glued up. So this is the chamber vinyl tape. So let's just peel off, and then use the super glue to glue all of the edge, each of the all around and on the middle. Don't take the vinyl off from the chamber, because just leave it as it is. Where if you got like black nick out, mostly like corner on side, so just glue it all around, even like on the middle here, and then put it down gently. It's already glued up, so I need to do it in a hurry. So where's my pin set? Oh my god. Okay, anyway, all right. So I'm just going to so gently just put it on top of it, and you could put something on heavy on top of it, or either what I do is I usually give a pressure to stick on each side, each of the edges. This is the clip chamber clip that usually when I use this when I clean up the printhead, so I can give a high pressure to push out the leftover ink or clogged printhead. So I'm going to clip it on, and leave it for like 5 to 10 minutes, and then it's gonna stick it on. That's it. And then also, if you keep on getting a display message on your printhead, this is what the problem is. Usually when you use aftermarket cartridge or refill cartridge or even genuine, the printer got old, and also the printer got old, and the glue got weak. It stick on top of here. This vinyl is like stick on top of here. So you peel. It doesn't look like pure, but glue got weak, so there's air leaking. So I peel them off, clean the surface with alcohol pad, whatever, and I done everything. I just decided to take a video on this, so introduce guys this product. And there's also you can put this back. Also put the super glue all around the edge. I usually use UV glue and light, but you guys have to order it. But easy to get is super glue from the 99-cent store or like Home Depot somewhere. So like put the glue around. This already got a cap on it, so it's pretty convenient to using it. Oh, I forgot one place. Shit. Okay, right here. I put it right here. Okay, and then gonna put it back on way it was. So there's a you can see the glue. So put it back on as it was. You see it, and just let it dry, and put it back on, and then done. Boom. Okay. So this clips and oops, oh my god, clips and tapes, and the UV glue and lights, and the cleaning solutions. Where is it? Cleaning solutions. And solvent. Sometimes, like when it's rock hard, it's not able to clog, then I use this solvent, not the solvent, but special, very strong cleaning solution. And I'm gonna make one professional repair kit for all these all these accessories. So you can buy that from, if you wanna buy this, you can buy from Proinkshop.com, Proinkshop.com, or text me 909-815-6681. If you have any question or need a tech support over the phone, I don't charge anything. I'm just try to give you an idea how to fix those. Because to buy the brand new printer is like almost $250 around, and it takes like long time. If you buy from Amazon, like around $260. If you buy from eBay, it's around like $185 from Japan, so it takes 30 days. So you can contact me, whatever you need. Feel free to ask me. Okay. Thank you. My name is James from Proinkshop.com. Thank you. Bye bye.